signals and alarm tones were a test.
I missed the tones, dang it.
Radio public warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in northeast Kansas, as well as Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test, and we now return you to regular programming.
I missed the tones, and I guess I kind of dozed off a little bit there, but that's a shame, but yeah, that was the final weekly test on WXM20 for 2020.